Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana, your host on Intellect Digest, and today we have two flagship phablet devices from different brands. We have the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3 and the Huawei Ascend Mate. Both of these are 6-inch phablets, high-end, high definition, offer good level of performance, good level of usability, beautiful display on both of these devices. In this video, I'm going to give you a heads-on comparison between these two devices. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the physical form factor of these two phones. The Huawei Ascend Mate is the thicker of the two at around 9.9mm, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3 is slightly sleeker at around 8.8mm when it comes to thickness. Both are very similar when it comes to the size. The Samsung Galaxy Mega comes with a larger 6.3-inch display, whereas the Huawei Ascend Mate comes with a 6.1-inch display. Both come with high definition display with 720p display resolution. The display resolution on both of these devices is same at 1280 by 720 pixel. However, the quality of display is slightly different. I'll open some images which I have clicked with my camera and transferred to these phones, and I'll quickly show you a comparison on how they look. So these are same images opened on both these devices. Let me put them in the landscape mode and show you side by side. The kind of contrast which is coming out on these displays is slightly different. I can see more contrast on the Huawei Ascend Mate over here. If you see similar images like these two, the contrast levels are slightly better over here. Let me dim the light and show you. On dimming the lights, you can closely see the kind of picture quality is slightly different on both these devices, and the contrast ratios are also coming out to be different. Let me show you some other images. So these are exactly same images transferred from PC, and it is looking slightly more vibrant. Although the viewing angles on both are excellent, you can see the images from extreme angles and still the display does not fade out or decolor. Both these phones have a single SIM, micro SIM slot, and they have expandable memory. Talking of the camera on the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3, it is an 8-megapixel unit at the back, and same is the case with the Huawei Ascend Mate. Both come with autofocus and LED flash, and the camera quality is good on both. The front facing camera is 1 megapixel on the Huawei Ascend Mate and is 1.9 megapixel on the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3. So the front camera gets higher display resolution when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy Mega. The picture quality of the rear 8-megapixel camera on both these phones is excellent. As you can see, this is a picture taken with the Huawei Ascend Mate and this is a picture taken with the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3, and both come out to be fairly good. Although a point worth mentioning is that the Samsung Galaxy Mega comes with a lot of camera modes and features like the best photo, best face, sports mode, panorama, drama shot, etc., which is an extensive feature which was introduced with the Samsung Galaxy S4. So the camera app is much more detailed on the Samsung Galaxy Mega when compared to the camera app of the Huawei Ascend Mate, which is comparatively simpler. Both these phones are capable of recording high definition videos at 30 frames per second. Talking of the specifications, which is another important factor, let's start with the memory. The internal memory on the Huawei Ascend Mate is 8GB, whereas it is 16GB on the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3. However, the user available memory is 4.56GB on the Huawei Ascend and 12.03GB provided by the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3. Also, the processors powering these two devices are very different. The Samsung Galaxy Mega is powered by a dual-core 1.7 GHz Krait processor by Qualcomm, and the Huawei Ascend Mate is powered by a quad-core 1.5 GHz MediaTek processor. They come very close when it comes to the performance or the benchmark numbers, but they are very different when it comes to the hardware specifications that they have on the offer. Talking of the RAM, the Ascend Mate has 2 GB of RAM, whereas the Galaxy Mega has only 1.5 GB of RAM. These small differences do set them apart. Let's talk about the performance. So we'll run quick benchmarks and show you how they differ on the benchmark scores. So on the benchmarks by AnTuTu, you can see the Huawei Ascend Mate is giving a score of 15,716, which is higher than the Samsung Galaxy Mega. This being a quad-core 1.5 GHz device gives you more performance. Comparing the charts quickly, you can see that the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3 is slightly above the Nexus 7 and below Nexus 10, whereas this is between the Nexus 10 and Samsung Galaxy S3. In fact, very close to the Samsung Galaxy S3 when it comes to the benchmark performance of the Huawei Ascend Mate. If you are a gamer and bother a lot about the graphics performance, we have run the Nina Mark II test on both of these phones, and the Samsung Galaxy Mega comes out to be slightly better at 59.2 frames per second. The Huawei Ascend Mate is not far behind, it is very marginally behind at 57.6 frames per second. Both run at the same display resolution of 1280 by 720 pixel when it comes to the display rendering. We have talked a lot about the specification, build, display, etc. Now let's talk about something which matters a lot, which is the software features. Both of these phones are powered by the Android Jelly Bean, but the Huawei Ascend Mate is powered by Android Jelly Bean 4.1, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Mega is powered by the Android Jelly Bean 4.2. Also, there are some additional features which are offered on the Samsung Galaxy Mega, like it comes with an infrared blaster. So this small black dot you see is an infrared port, and you can use it as universal remote to control your television, home theater system, etc. using the Watch On application which comes installed on this phone. And it also offers many other functions and features which you don't get on the Huawei Ascend. Huawei, on the other hand, offers very interesting Emotion UI where there is no app store. Everything is available on the home screen itself. You can add widgets by long pressing, and you can also change the transition. It looks very beautiful and much simpler when it compared to the apps drawer, which makes it look a kind of a bulky proposition with too many home screens. The TouchWiz UI of Samsung is not bad either. It gives you a lot of functionalities and features. The Samsung Galaxy Mega comes with a lot of S series applications like the S Planner, the S Memo, the S Translator, S Voice. So these are all Samsung customized applications which give you a lot of functionalities apart from the standard Android experience which you get on other phones. The Huawei, on the other hand, also offers some backup services, cloud storage. There are some interesting applications like the Cloud Sync, etc., which are powered by Huawei and comes pre-installed. In terms of software functionalities, the Samsung Galaxy Mega is fairly ahead of the Huawei Ascend Mate when it comes to the features as well as the functionalities. Another very important factor on a large screen device is the battery life. Both of these phones come with large batteries. The Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3 is powered by a 3200 mAh battery, whereas the Huawei Ascend Mate is powered by a larger 4050 mAh battery. Both of these have good battery optimization as well as the battery performance. This being a quad-core device uses slightly more battery, but they both come out to be very good when it comes to average battery usage. If you are a moderate user, the battery on both of these devices will last easily to about 1.5 days, and for heavy users who play games occasionally, it will also last for a day comfortably on both of these phones. Few other differences between these two phones is that the Huawei Ascend Mate comes at a more attractive price point of around 25,000 rupees in India, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Mega is priced at 30,000 price point. You get more premium earphones with the Samsung Galaxy Mega. These are in-the-ear earphones by Samsung and come with earpiece which has the volume control, as well as you can change the volume tracks, etc. with the earpiece which is provided. On the other hand, you get standard earphones with the Huawei Ascend Mate. The output quality of these are very good. I have tested them. The bass levels are slightly lower than what you get on the in-the-ear earphones because they are noise insulating, and the headset provided here is very good in quality, but it lacks the volume control and button to change the audio track. These are both standard 3.5mm audio jacks, so you can replace them in case you want to use your own headphones or earphones with these two phones. Summing up the comparison, both phones come out to be really good and they have their own USPs. The Huawei comes with a lot of simplicity and a nice looking UI, has a better contrast on the display, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Mega comes with a much more advanced camera functionality, has lot of software features and hardware features like an infrared blaster with universal remote. It comes with many Samsung services inbuilt, and it comes with the latest Android Jelly Bean 4.2, which gives you much more options when compared to the Android Jelly Bean 4.1. So it is up to you whether the hardware or the software makes more difference to your choice. both come at a very good build quality, very nice price points, and a lot of good real estate when it comes to the display size. This is all we have on a quick comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3 and the Huawei Ascend Mate. If you like our video, please press the like button below. For more such videos, please press the subscribe button. This is Rohit Khurana, your host, signing off. Thanks for watching.